Spain, unable to recognize her son Dylan Bandy Skeet. Skeet, along with Jamaican national Joel Tash and Sherwin Thomas, were murdered in Desperately Crescent on Thursday night. The lone female witness tells us 4 men drove their black Nissan X-Trail into the street and returned wearing masks.
The policeman started pointing the gun in my face and let me know, "It's not okay, I think we'll kill you, go down on your knees." I said, "I'm not going down on my knees." I said, "Oh, you come to kill people?" All they had everybody lying upon the wall here. I started there. The policeman go up on the wall, get Irish man on the wall, Irish man on the wall. The policeman just started beating up people.
She was able to escape but looked back to see what may have been her fate.
Then as she pulled and shut her by chain, trying to bust off the man chain off his neck. I started ball before I seen body lie down, the body lie down, the body lie down here.
The shooting of Skeet is believed to be linked to a shooting at Lodge Place and on police officers at the Besson Street police station. Reports say just after 10 on Thursday evening, less than an hour after the killing of Skeet, armed men opened fire on the station. Officers on duty escaped injury. That shooting led to law enforcement officials being placed on high alert. But at the Forensic Science Center where the autopsies were being done, one relative tells us Skeet's body was a gory sight.
That was real powerful because you see all the teeth in his mouth mash up.
She says last Saturday, as a police jeep passed their usual liming spot, he had a premonition.
Yeah, I'm not killed. You see just how they approach me, it's just how they approach them. Remember you see a lineman? I say, yeah boy. Yeah, I'm not eye next.
They say soldiers threatened his life, believing he was responsible for the murder of Lance Corporal Coyote Thomas on June 30th. This forced Skeet to turn himself over to police.
When he gave up himself with his lawyer by the station, they said them don't want you. He not wanted to the police, and they said the soldiers can't hold him.
This relative adds Jamaican national Joel Tash was an innocent victim.
The Jamaican, and he's an innocent man. He come to film a video with them, and that's his payment. He end up dead.
The other deceased, Sherwin Thomas, we're told had just graduated from police training. Urvashi Tuarupnarayan, CNC3, Port of Spain.